Congratulations to everyone that watched my previous video on BONK, because we perfectly tapped the support zone that I presented to you on my previous video, and actually from that support we actually bounced back 100% on the upward movement. So my order limit here was fulfilled. We dropped a little bit lower, you can see this wick here, but the daily closure was above, and we actually stayed in the zone here and we pumped 100% up. I took my profits. I took around 75% of profit on this swing trade right here. And if you listen to me, if you filled up your order limits here, limit orders on this support, you would have been on a really good profit right now. So congrats again to everyone, and this is an update for this video right here. So if you go to my channel and you see this video, watch this video first or watch it after this update, because this is update for this video, because many things change on the market. Alright, so in this video we're going to talk about buying zones, we're going to talk about take profit levels, we're going to talk about price prediction and technical analysis of BONK, and everything in this video. So first of all, thank you so much to all the new subscribers. I cannot believe it's almost 600 of you. Thank you so much. And if you're not subscribed yet, please consider that. If you like the content, you can just click the subscribe button, and just to be updated for the future, because the markets are really dynamic and there are a lot of things changing daily. Alright, so first of all, let's just take a look some technical analysis. As I told you before, we actually broke this support because BTC crashed a little bit, and there were some altcoin Bitcoin pairs that were liquidated, and that actually created a flash crash all the way down to the next support. So actually those two supports were perfect time to accumulate BONK, because we bounced back all the way back to 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. And you're probably asking, like, what is the level right now to get in? And I think I'm looking at 236 Fibonacci retracement right here, and I think that's a great level to accumulate if BTC is going to continue to go down. If BTC is going to go sideways or go up, we're probably going to continue this upward movement after this flash crash right here. But it's really up to what BTC is going to do, because like we grew over 100%, because I'm counting 100% from my support when I purchased, okay, but we got a little lower, so this is probably 130% up, which is a lot. And if we expect it to continue growing, it can, of course it can, but like we never know. So right now, guys, like the perfect time to buy was here, and I told you, and it was just a couple of days ago. So right now we just have to wait for a little retracement. Okay, so if we talk about purchasing zones, I think 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level right here, 1800 satoshis, is a perfect level. All right, I hope that's clear. And let's take a look at some take profit levels. So if you're holding right now and you're thinking where to sell, what are the profits, take profits levels, and I sold because I bought a lot here, and I bought it just for a quick swing trade, and this is just my other strategy. But I understand that many of you are holding it long term, which I do too. It's just like I have my part for long term, and this is not it. So I would take a look at the previous all-time high level right here, and I would take a look at 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level right here, another Fibonacci retracement point to right over here, 8600 satoshis and 7200 satoshis, and this all-time high. So whatever your strategy is, let's say it's 30% here, 30% here, 30% here, and 10% moon back, something like that. Of course, it's not financial advice, but for me, I got really low here, and I took that 100% upward movement, and I'm out for now. let's take a look at some fear and greed index, because I told you before that we were really high on the right side here, and we actually had a little move on to the left. I told you guys that we're gonna see some kind of retracement, some kind of correction, and we did. But in my opinion, we can continue going down, and that's gonna mean a great opportunity to accumulate more in the nearest future, because look how big room for improvement is towards the left side here, towards fear or even extreme fear. So that's really important, right over here. Another important thing is the BTC altcoin season right here. I also told you when we were right around this level right here, I told you we were gonna see the downward movement, and we actually tapped the 24 points over here. We bounced back after the crash, because that movement was too quick and too big, so we had to react a little bit for that. Right now we are at 41, but I think we're on a downward movement, and we're gonna continue another leg down, or even break this level and go into 20s or even 10s. But we'll see. The lower we go on this, the better it is to accumulate altcoins like BONK or just like other altcoins, for example like DOT or Chainlink, and other projects. But right now I'm really expecting it to go down. Alright, let's take a look at some BTC dominance chart. And as I said before, my other prediction was just on point, because we got to 57% and we had a little retracement, and we're probably gonna have one. I'm expecting to have like 1 or 2 weekly wicks to the upward movement like this one, but I expect that kind of wick touch something between 58 or 60 or even 62. And when that happens, it's going to be really good opportunity to accumulate altcoins, like as I wrote down here by altcoins here, right? So if we go up here, that means we're going to continue going down on this chart over here. And I hope that's clear for you. And we're going to have probably local top over here, and then we're going to retrace to this support over here, and that's gonna be where I would sell the altcoins. Okay, here you buy altcoins, here sell. So yeah, because this kind of channel like we had on the left side, we just broke upwards, and we're gonna create another channel probably here. Unless we break it, retest, we're gonna come back to this channel right here. And but right now I expect it to continue growing 1 or 2 legs up, and this is where I'm gonna accumulate more altcoins like BONK, for example. Which altcoins I will tell you, so make sure you subscribe, and I will tell you which altcoins are undervalued and they look good for another altcoin season. Thank you so much. That's it for today. I hope you like it. If you did, you can click subscribe button, and actually you can help me grow my channel because I just started. And if you like the video, you can click subscribe, you can drop a like under this video, or you can leave a comment or share this video with your friends and family. I know some of you are already doing it, and I really appreciate it, and see you soon tomorrow.